tells you that it's hot enough to get rid of the water that's in it. And bronze is porous, so it absorbs moisture. And so once it gets hot enough, that goes away. You give it a little bit more time, and then just test it with your brush of wax. And yeah, see, it melts right in there, and all that yucky stuff just kind of goes away with the new fresh wax. And you just do that. Now, of course, you can speed this whole process up if you have a bigger torch.
Yeah.
And this would take a long time to do it with this little bitty thing here.
Yeah, but maybe until a man gets onto it, it wouldn't hurt.
Yeah.
Go slowly. Wow.
So, doesn't that look a lot nicer now?
Yeah.
It's all fresh, clean, and gets rid of all that oxidation. And I mean, it'll even get rid of this. I mean, this is bad oxidation right there. And a lot of times they say to clean it, and you know, you can get some of these cobwebs off and stuff like that with a dry cloth, but it'll just take that stuff pretty much right away. So maybe take a little bit of steel wool or something like this, just kind of work that. You don't want to do it too much because you can break right through to the bronze.